Top Resorts in Tahiti, Part 4. Manava Beach Resort and Spa Moorea.
Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light.
Manava Beach Resort and Spa Moorea is a traditional Polynesian-style resort, located just 10-minute drive from the airport.
So out of my league, and your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that
It offers garden bungalows with a sundeck and a private plunge pool. All rooms at Manava Beach Resort and Spa Moorea feature ceiling fans, air conditioning, coffee/tea making facilities, and a minibar.
took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what
Other room facilities include a hairdryer, safety deposit box, and flat-screen cable TV.
you had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name,
The resort features an outdoor swimming pool located on the beachfront. Moorea Spa offers a range of massages and beauty treatment.
think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like you told me that you've been waiting.
The Manava Beach Resort and Spa Moorea is open every Friday and Saturday and hosts festive-themed events for guests to enjoy.
That you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. When you ask my name, I panic. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.